Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can also create unscheduled paychecks for additional checks, like bonus checks, for example. You can select Employees, Pay Employees, Unscheduled Payroll from the menu bar to open the Enter Payroll Information window. Here you can manually set the pay period ends and the check date. Then select the account from which the funds will be withdrawn from the Bank Account drop-down. Place a check mark next to the names of the employees to pay. Then click the Continue button to continue creating the paychecks. In the next screen, select whether the check should be printed or assigned a check number in the Check Options section. Then click the hyperlinked name of the employee shown within the list to open the Preview Paycheck window, where you can review and edit the payroll information if needed. After entering or editing the paycheck details, click the Save and Close button. To create the paychecks, click the Create Paychecks button. If printing the paychecks within QuickBooks, click either the Print Paychecks or Print Pay Stubs button as needed, and then click the Close button to finish.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.